Alright, so this is going to be a quick little how-to/tutorial video to help folks out on Linux that are unable to get some of their games started. I've had this issue in the past with Steam, and I ended up fixing it. I just don't remember how I fixed it. And just recently, my cousin started having this issue. So certain games will run when you click on play, but other games might not. You might click on play, and then it looks like it's starting up, and then immediately just the play button goes green again. To fix this issue, and we tried multiple things. We tried switching to the beta branch of Steam. We tried verifying the integrity of the game files. We tried using different versions of Proton, and some of those fixed some of the games, but there were still some games that did not want to run no matter what. Funny enough, with the help of ChatGPT, which many people in the comments of my previous videos were mentioning, another YouTuber, Linux Gamer Life, also mentioned ChatGPT is actually really helpful when it comes to solving problems. So to fix this issue, what you need to do is you need to go to a specific folder. You need to go to a specific folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this real quick. Go to install files. Okay. And where you need to go is you need to go to Steam Apps. Okay. So it's going to be in your home folder. You're going to go Home, Local, Share, Steam, Steam Apps. And then from here, you're going to go to Compat Data. And this is going to be a little overwhelming. It's a bunch of folders with a bunch of numbers. Now, what you're going to need to do is you need to go to here, right? steamdb.info, and you're going to need to look for the game. So I'm going to use Baldur's Gate as an example for this. Baldur's Gate 3, app ID 1086940. Okay, so let's go back here. And we're going to look for 1086940. And I could probably just search for it, but you know, I'm busy petting my cat, so I can't really type all that well. All right, let's see here. where is it? 108. You know, I can actually do this. This would be a lot easier. Sort by name. Then here. Okay. Here we go. 1086490. Whatever. Okay, so this folder right here, PFX. What you're gonna do is you're gonna delete this folder. Okay. Once you've deleted the folder, what you're gonna do is, let's close this out. You're gonna go here and verify integrity of game files. All right. And then once that's done, what it's gonna do is it's gonna rebuild the Proton prefix. That's what that folder was. PFX was a Proton prefix. Sometimes what happens is, you know, during a download or whatever of Proton, it'll get corrupted or it'll get messed up and the game won't start. So when that happens, just delete that PFX folder, and then what you're going to do is you're going to verify integrity of game files, and then after that, it should run. I hope that was able to help you out. I hope that was able to fix the issue. It is, for whatever reason, a really tough solution to find online. Thankfully, my cousin was able to solve it with the help of ChatGPT, funny enough. Aside from that, I have a couple other videos that you can check out if it's your first time here, and I'll leave you with some more Memow. Have a good one.